This is Hydro Plast Care, also known as HPC. It is good for trim, tires, and plastic. But we're going to show you how to do this on this tire in 4 different dilutions. So the first one we're going to try out is the 1-to-1, which gives you a high gloss. So this is at 2-to-1, giving you a semi-gloss look. So here we got a 3-to-1, and it's giving you a satin finish. And last, we're going to try 4-to-1, giving you a natural look. To show you the difference of HPC and its ability, we're going to go ahead and put this tape on here and show you on this work van what it can do. So we're going to show you at a 2-to-1 mix with a semi-gloss finish what it's going to do for us. And we're going to peel the tape off to see how that is. Oh, pretty good finish.